Hello my dear student, I am Sisir Kumar Sahu. Today we will study divisibility test. Let's start the class. First we will know divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its units digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then that number is divisible by 2. For that I have taken some example. Look at these examples. Here 18. Its unit digit is 8, so this number is divisible by 2. Here 26. Its unit digit is 6, so this number is divisible by 2. Here 34 and its unit digit is 4, so this number is divisible by 2. So this number is 100 and its unit digit is 0, so this number also divisibility by 2. And here also this number, its unit digit is 2, so this number also divisible by 2. So which number its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 present, those number are divisibility by 2. And when we write suppose 55, it is clear that its unit digit is 5, so this number is not divisible by 2. When we write 63, its unit digit is 3, so this number is not divisible by 2. So in this way we can choose or find out which number is divisibility by 2 or not. Now we'll know divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3 or multiples of 3. For that I have taken some examples. 18. Its sum of digit is 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. And 9 is the multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. So this one is divisible by 3. 42. Sum of its digit will be 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 6 is the multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. So 42 is divisible by 3 also. 63. Its sum of digit is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and this one multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. So this number also divisible by 3. 4, 1, 2, 2. Its sum of its digit is 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 9, and this one multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. So this number also divisible by 3. When we will take a number 37, its sum of digit is 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3 or multiple of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. So which number and its sum of digits is multiple of 3, multiples of 3 or divisible by 3, those number are divisible by 3. Now we will know divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens and units place is divisible by 4. For that I have taken some examples. Here 24, its unit digit is 4 and tens digit is 2. Number for 24, and 24 is the multiple of 4 or divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Here 40, units digit is 0, tens digit is 4. Number for 40, and this one multiple of 4 or divisible by 4. So this number also divisible by 4. 184. Its unit digit is 4 and tens digit is 8. Number from 84. and 84 is the multiples of 4 or divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. 2 to 4. Its unit digit is 4 and tens digit is 2. Number form 24. 24 is the multiples of 4 or divisible by 4. So this number also divisible by 4. Here 1300, its unit digit and tens place digit both are 0. So this number also divisible by 4. So in this type or in this way we can say which number is divisible by 4 or not. When we write suppose 17, number form its unit digit and tens digit 17, and this one is not divisible by 4 or also not multiples of 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. When we will write 211, number form its unit digit is 1 and tens digit 1. 11 is not divisible by 4 or it is not multiples of 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. So in this way we can say which number is divisibility by 4 or not. Next we will know divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its units digit is either 0 or 5. Then we can say the number is divisible by 5. For that I have taken some examples. Look at these examples. Here its unit digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Its unit digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. And here also its unit digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. And here 235, its unit digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Here 2360, its unit digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. So in which number its unit digit 0 and 5 are present, 0 or 5 are present, then we can say that number is divisible by 5. If we write 43, it is clear that its unit digit is 3, so this number is not divisible by 5. If we write 69, its unit digit is 9, so this number is not divisible by 5. Okay, then we will know divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. For that I have taken some examples. 24, here its unit digit is 4, so this number must be divisible by 2, and its sum of its digit is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So this number also divisible by 3. So here this number both divisible by 2 or 2 and 3. So this number also divisible by 6. Here its unit digit is 6. So this number is divisible by 2, and sum of its digit is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 9 is the multiple of 3. That means this number is both divisible by 2 and 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Here its unit digit is 6. So this number is divisible by 2, and the sum of its digit is 2 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 9 means its multiple of 3. That means this number both divisible by 2 and 3. So this number is divisible by also 6. Here also its unit digit is 2. That means this one divisible by 2, and its sum of its digit is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 6, and this one multiple of 3. That means this number is both divisible by 2 and 3, means divisible by 6. So in this way we can choose or identify which number is divisible by 6 or not. Then we will know divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digits in hundreds, tens and units places is divisible by 8. For that I have taken some examples. Look at these examples. Here 200. Its unit place 0, tens place 0 and 100 place 2. And number form also 200. And 200 is the multiple of 8, multiples of 8 are divisible by 8. So this number also divisible by 8. Here 112. Unit place 2, 10 plus 1, 100 plus 1. Number form 112 and this one multiples of 8 are divisible by 8. So this number divisible by 8. Here 2000. Its unit digit is 0, tens digit 0, hundreds digit 0, number form 000 and 000 divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Here its unit digit is 4, tens digit 0, hundred digit 1, number form 104. 104 multiples of 8. So this number is divisible by also 8. So this number also divisible by 8. So in this way we can find out which number is divisible by 8 or not. Next we will know divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9, then we can say that number is divisible by 9. For that I have taken some example. Here 45 and its sum of digits will be 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And 9 is the multiple of 9 or divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Here 81. Sum of its digit will be 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And this one multiple of 9, multiples of 9 are divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Here also 405. Sum of its digit will be 4 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9 or multiples of 9. So this one is divisible by 9. 990. Sum of its digit will be 18 and this one multiples of 9 are divisible by 9. So this number also divisible by 9. So in this way we can find out which number is divisible by 9 or not. Next we will know divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its units digit is only 0. For that I have taken some examples. Here 20 its unit digit only 0. Here 40 its unit digit is 0. Here 210 its unit digit is 0. Here also 830 its unit digit is 0. 2840 its unit digit is 0. So these are divisible by 10. So which number its unit digit will be 0, then that number is divisible by 10. And if you will write suppose 65, its unit digit is 5, so this one is not divisible by 10. So for that, for divisible by 10, it is required its unit digit is only 0. Next we will know divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and sum of its digits in even places starting from units place is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. For that I have taken some example. Here 22. Its odd places means this one only. Even places only one present, and difference will be 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So according to the rule, if difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. again we'll take 8. Its unit digit is 8 and tens or even places also 8. So all places 8 and even places place 8. So its difference will be 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So this number is divisible by 11. Then we'll take 61,809. Its odd places means this one and this one. Right? Sum of odd places 9 plus 8 plus 6. It will be 8 plus 6 14, 49, 23. Then its even place 0, 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And difference will be 23 minus 1 is equal to 22. And this one is multiples of 11. So this number is divisible by 11. So in this way, we can find out which number is divisible by 11 or not. If you like my video lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.